Hi, this is the Nissan car guy, Anthony Mendoza, here at Empire Nissan in Ontario, California. I'm so excited to bring you the new 2020 Nissan Altima that has been beautifully redesigned last year and packed with more tech than ever before. This is the standard S model in brilliant silver. Available trim levels are S, SV, SL, SR, and Platinum. If this is the first time you're seeing my videos, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can stay on top of the latest Nissan has to offer and other virtual test drives I do. The new Altima has two motor options and is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 188 horsepower and 180 foot-pounds of torque. There is also a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbo engine that makes 236 horsepower and 267 feet-pounds of torque. These are both connected to the Xtronic CVT automatic transmission with exceptional gas mileage of 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. This S model comes with 16-inch wheels wrapped in two 1560 series tires, and a 17 and 19-inch wheel is also available. On the interior, the Altima comes with Nissan's extremely plush and comfortable zero-gravity seats and this sporty D-shaped steering wheel for a better performance feel. Up front here, there are plenty of compartments for storage for the things you need, from this locking glove box to this deep center console. A huge trunk brings up the rear for the active person on the go, whether it's a Home Depot run, stroller with bags, or a trip with family and friends. And just in case, a spare tire. The Altima rear seats hold 3 passengers comfortably, with more than enough room for a center armrest with cup holders. The 2020 Altima has tons of standard features, from backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the intelligent key with remote engine start, and these 2 USB ports for the back passengers. As Nissan says, tech that moves you. Let's hop in. All right, I'd like to say thank you for everybody, all the comments and suggestions I've been receiving. Really appreciate that, and did want to show you this. I'm going to do a drive here at night, so wanted to show you the one I pulled up, which is this Altima SR, the 2020. You'll notice a couple of the differences here. 19-inch alloy wheels. We have the black caps here for the SR model. Take a little walk around here. That V-Motion grille looks so nice on the front. With the floating roof. They call it floating roof because it's broken up by this black line right here. It does look different on different colors. I love the way it looks. If you got the black, you wouldn't even notice it, but it does look really nice. SR badging with the spoiler and the dual exhaust down here. Let's go for a drive. One of the first things you'll notice when you're driving the car is how easy it is to steer. It's so light, it's so simple at low speeds, parking lot speeds. You're not fighting, you're struggling. If you have arthritis or any wrist issues, great car to come check that out with. We'll also notice the multi-link suspension on this Altima reacts really well. Provides a lot of confidence when you're driving, and when you hit bumps, potholes in the road, you don't lose control, you feel very sure. Now, this body design did come out last year for the 2019 model as a redesign. This is the second year of this design. One thing I'm extremely happy with is the fact that Nissan kept the seats. These are the NASA inspired zero gravity seats, which are so soft. They reduce any kind of fatigue you might have. If you're taking a long trip, you're going far anywhere in this car, you will totally arrive feeling so relaxed and comfortable no matter where you're at. So if you never experienced these seats before, you have to come in, try these seats out for yourself. I can't express that any more than I just did, because this is the best in-class comfort and seating. And right here, I'll show you, this is the 2.5 liter, 188 horsepower engine. You'll notice as the power builds, there are shifts that are happening in the RPMs, and that is a simulated shift called the D-step tuning. This is a CVT transmission, and it is very responsive when you need it to be. This is obviously a daily driver. You're not going to be racing anybody in this car, but it has a very smooth transmission. You don't feel the shifts at lower rates of speed, but because if you're driving more aggressively, you will feel it. There's a simulated shift that kicks in called D-step tuning. And Nissan has provided a lot of their cars now with the safety shield technology, which is great, and that includes several safety aspects. This Altima has it as standard in all Altimas. It's optional on the S model. What it has to offer is you have emergency forward braking with pedestrian detection. So if you're braking and there's something that's stopped in front of you, the car will notice it as well and react faster and help you stop quicker. It can also detect if somebody is walking in front of you and do the same thing. It can actually see them with the camera. And the Altima does have the blind spot warning, which are located in the A pillars here and on the other side. And I love the fact that it's on the A pillar on the inside of the cabin, as opposed to on the outside on the mirrors, where a lot of manufacturers have been putting them, which doesn't make a lot of sense to me, because if you ever wanted to tint your front windows, or on cold mornings when the windows are frosted, you wouldn't be able to see that. And it's just nice and convenient that they're located right there. This Altima has excellent braking as well. In fact, let me pull over here and I'll show you that. So it's very nice braking system. It doesn't overreact. It's there when you need it to. It's not jerky at all. So it's very comforting. Also notice there's not a lot of road noise coming into the cabin of the vehicle. There's a lot of sound deadening equipment and materials that they've used on the outside and inside of the Altima, which really help out. And speaking of sound, let's play some music here. There we go. Real clear audio. You can adjust it. Nissan does have in the Altima as well a Bose audio system that's also available on an upgraded model as an optional equipment, but it's very nice system even in the standard model. And of course, the Altima comes with the Bluetooth hands-free phone system, Bluetooth streaming audio. We do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. There's plenty of visibility on this car. The front windshield is very wide open. The side windows are very nice. There are not that many blind spots, but of course we do have that blind spot warning. Also, part of that safety shield technology is rear emergency braking. So if you were backing up, it would detect an object behind you and stop the vehicle just in case. And then the Altima is available in an all-wheel drive version, which we probably don't use that much down here in SoCal, but we obviously are south of the Big Bear and Arrowhead, so a lot of our mountain buyers, there is an all-wheel drive sedan version. So if you're not just looking for an SUV, you wanted a sedan to feel a little bit more comfortable, there is definitely that available as well. Let me put the high beams on here. Real nice and bright. You can see the line right there and how much it lights up everything. Oh, didn't mean to scare you, little bunny. This is the Nissan Car Guy. I hope you like these videos that I'm doing. I'm going to do more for future vehicles being released. We have all new Rogue, Pathfinder, the 2020 Titans coming out. I'll be doing videos on all of those as well. If you do like this, please subscribe. Like this video, share it. I'm going to put it on YouTube and on Facebook. I'm going to have it on different platforms, but please like and subscribe. Really love to put a lot more of these out, and hopefully I'm helping somebody out there. Thanks a lot. Have a great night.